Manufacturing app development in 2025 and beyond, trends, tech, and transformation. Are you ready to dive into the future of manufacturing? Let's explore what app development has in store for 2025 and beyond. Innovation is our constant companion, and in manufacturing, it's reshaping everything. First up, let's talk about AI and machine learning. Imagine using AI to control quality and make data-driven decisions effortlessly. Next, we have IoT-powered smart factories, an absolute game-changer. With IoT, you can monitor equipment status and detect problems in real time. Now, let's shift gears to how augmented reality can elevate staff training. Our overlays guide workers through complex procedures, reducing human error. Cloud-based scalability is next on our list. This tech is a lifesaver. With cloud apps, managing production and syncing data is as easy as pie. Ever heard about blockchain for supply chain transparency? It's revolutionary. With blockchain, traceability and compliance are taken to a whole new level. Now, let's talk about the future, personalization, and seamless integration. Manufacturers will demand apps tailored just for their workflows. Think user-friendly interfaces and advanced data analytics as a new norm. The push for sustainability will lead to even smarter manufacturing apps. We'll see apps helping track carbon footprints and optimize resources. So, how hungry are you for innovation? It's never-ending. Manufacturing app developers will keep feeding this hunger for efficiency and reduced costs. Stay ahead of the game and embrace these trends for a brighter manufacturing future.